Say hi. Hello. Hello, that's my friend, beautiful friend.
Oh, Maryland beautiful. Kida, you beautiful. Kida, smiling.
Hi. Look, the rain.
Yeah.
The snow is gone.
Yeah. Summertime.
Oh no. Still winter.
Not a bit.
Hello. Hello everybody. This is Yaya and this is Maylan.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, green.
The green now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Time to go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, the car is fixed. This car is fixed already. This is driving. This is the car that hit the deer. Now it's fixed. I'm happy about that. Our life here in the USA, Westfield, Ohio, with Yaya, with a birdie morning to work, to make money. Yeah. If you don't have no work, no money.
Yeah. No work, no money.
Hello everyone. My husband have surprise for me, and he have chicken Buffalu wings,
Oreo
cake
mousse, Oreo mousse,
and he have a
mashed
potato,
and her favorite wonderful things.
Yeah.
Hot wings, buffalo wings.
And let's eat.
That's it.
Before that,
My honey always say, look at my hair. I had the hood on all day because the temperature is about, I think the wind chills are probably 15 degrees. It's very bitter cold because it's been a very warm winter so far. So we've not had chance for our blood to thin out. So now we feel very, very cold.
Yeah, I was calling you because I was worried.
It will be much colder tomorrow and then even colder the next day and high winds. The winds are 40 to 50 miles an hour.
Oh, I don't like that. There. But the food is yummy.
The buffalo wings.
Yeah. Let's forget about the weather and let's eat.
Yeah. Okay, honey.
Let's pray.
We will pray now. I never tried these buffalo wings till you brought them home because I didn't think about stopping at Walmart to get buffalo
So this
wings.
is from Walmart, right?
Yeah.
That's a lot there. Like is that $12?
Yep.
Plus.
Plus.
We always say plus.
Always plus, dear.
Yeah. If plus like 20 plus, that's meant 23. 21 up to 29. But if 30, we don't use that like plus.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. If 30, you said 30 plus, 31 to up. That's what we...
I see.
Yes.
I thought you just said plus to anything.
No. Just like 10, I don't know, 9.
That's the reason I always thought it was so funny when you said plus to everything. Because I'm like, everything can be plus. I did not know there was a limitation on it till just now. We have been married for 5 years and I just now know that how plus works.
200 plus. That's when just 1 to 9, that's all. That
It could be 1,000 or more.
No. Oh, that's
Plus.
yummy there. I like buffalo wings.
I know you do. I was surprised that you liked them because they're kind of hot.
A little spicy too. Say hi to my fans there.
Your fans out there
Out there in
on the internet.
out there in the
Your internet fans.
different country.
Oh, different countries.
Hey guys, how are you? Let's eat the buffalo wings. Here is the rice. The rice that no flavor.
Flavorless rice. Yay!
And now I use the pork in my rice because my husband don't like me to use my hands with my rice. Mandatory.
That's the rule.
I like to be free. But how about the chicken? We use our hands. So not make any sense.
That's the rules.
Rules. There is no rule. Cannot compare the mashed potato and rice. The mashed potato cannot compare with rice.
Yeah, it can't be.
I make it clear.
So of course there's no comparison. Yummy and tasty to no flavor at all.
No flavor in here in the plate, but until we put in mouth.
The potatoes are still very hot.
Oh, really?
I like that.
The hot and Pepsi.
Yeah. Yeah. Hot and spicy with Pepsi. This is called mousse.
Let's try. Very yummy there.
Yeah. That's quite good. I bought it because it was on sale because, you know, I'm a cheapskate. I'm not going to pay full price.
Okay, guys. Thank you for thank you for watching. Can you please smash subscribe, smash like, bash notification bell, stash your comment below.
Okay. If you said so.
What are you looking at?
I will. I subscribe like you said. I don't know about the notification bell or not. But maybe.
Okay, thank you. See you to the next time. Until next time. Bye.